Alright guys, it is 3, you can't even see me, it's that dark, 3 AM and we're on our way from Oxford, or Oxfordshire, technically the Cotswolds. Anyway, we're on our way from there to Dover. When we get on the ferry, we're going to start this vlog properly. But yeah, just so you can see, this is what time it is. And what's the ETA, Ad?
ETA is about 5:45.
For our ferry at what time? 6:40?
6:40, so we should be there an hour early.
Alright, let's do this. Ferry breakfast!
The method of donning a life jacket and a description of the general emergency alarm signal.
Alright guys, so we're finally on the ferry. So I'm going to explain now why we've done a bit of a weird journey. Now I know what I'm thinking of, why we've not gone boom direct, but we haven't. So we went from Leeds to Oxford, from Oxford to Dover, and now we're going from Calais, or we will be going from Calais down to the Alps. So we've got two reasons. The first one, it was a good excuse to see Nan and Adam's mum and have some brunch, which is always good.
Brunch is always good.
We love brunch. Brunch is the best. I'm a bit conscious that this camera's going to tip now we're moving. And then and then the other reason is I'll show you when it's daylight, but the back of the van is absolutely full. So what we've had to do is put the bed down and then lay the skis and snowboard bags on the bed. So
we couldn't sleep in the van.
But yeah, we couldn't sleep in the van is what the basic kind of idea was. We was going to drive to Dover, sleep in Dover, and then straight on the ferry, but we had nowhere to sleep. So we did a little bit of a detour, but it was good because we saw Adam's family. And yeah, now
Killed two birds with one stone. We got further down and we got a bed.
So now, what time is it?
25 to 7.
25 to 7, so that's English time. Ferry crosses about 90 minutes, and then we will be heading down. The drive over there is about 8 hours door to door. So we're going to try and not have too many or too long stops, but we'll see how we get on.
Hopefully we'll be there. It's a Sunday as well.
Yeah, Sunday should be good.
Sunday will be quieter on the roads is our big thought process.
And yeah, see what the weather's like when we get out there. It is forecast snow, not as much as it was saying earlier in the week, which is quite lucky, but it is forecasting snow when we get to the Alps, to the mountains, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, for now I'm just going to finish my morning coffee because I'm on coffee number 2 today, and then yeah, let's see how long it takes us to get there. Are you sleepy?
A little bit sleepy, a little bit wobbly.
You want to go sit somewhere else?
No.
Night night.
No.
Alright guys, so we're back in the van now, and we're waiting to get off the ferry and start our French leg of the journey. Bonjour!
Bonjour!
So guys, this is why we couldn't sleep in Dover. Look at this. I don't know if you can see. Let me just... So you can see we've got like one, 2, 3 boards and ski bags and a big box of supplies, and then all our cabinets are full of stuff as well. So yeah, that's why we could not sleep in the van. Alright guys, so we're about 100 miles?
Yeah, probably just over 100.
Just over 100 miles into France now. When we got to Calais it was about 12 degrees. It's now gone down to 6 degrees and it's raining pretty badly. I'm going to show you in a second. So yeah, hopefully if it drops a couple more degrees, that rain will turn into snow, which should be really good. But yeah, so look.
I think saying it's raining is a bit of an understatement.
Yeah, I mean it's chucking it down. So just before we came out, we got some winter tyres fitted. I don't know if you can see in here how much water they're just kicking out. So good. Yeah, so we've got 6 degrees. Like so that was 12 at Calais. And we've got another 6 hours to go, another 410 miles. Okay, so my mum bought us this, couples trivia. So we thought we'll play it to keep us entertained because we've still got another 261 miles to go. Pick a car. If I could afford to drive any car, which would I choose? That's easy.
Range Rover, I think.
Boom! That was too easy. Right, this is me answering it for you. What do you think first attracted me to you? So what attracted me to you? What do I think? Because you was funny. When you invited me wakeboarding.
Yeah.
Why do you keep getting all the easy ones? Oh wait, this is for me actually. Which 3 people are the most important people in my life? 3.
No, I have to guess.
Yeah, you have to guess.
Including me or not?
No, that's too easy. Apart from you.
Your mum, your dad, and your sister.
Boom! Hey guys, so we finally arrived. I stopped filming last night because the drive got a little bit crazy. It started snowing quite heavy and it's our first time driving up here in the dark in the new van. So we had to concentrate a little bit, but let me show you where we are, what it looks like. So you can see this was all green yesterday. So you can see the amount of snow that fell last night. We are starting to get a bit of blue sky now. But still. So this is our new home for the next few months. So if you're liking the vlogs and you want to keep up to date with us while we're in France or in Europe, make sure you hit the subscribe button, like us, drop comments, let us know what you want to see, and yeah, we'll keep updating you. But look at all this stuff, we're going to go and enjoy a bit of time in the snow. See you soon!